Hi everyone, I'm the Chef Dwight, and today I'll be making Jamaican Ackee and Saltfish, dumpling, yam, and banana. So first thing I do, I put the saltfish in hot water so I can boil the salt out. So I'm gonna get my sweet pepper and cut it and dice. So I grab my tomato and I dice. Then I grab scotch bonnet skin, take out the seed, and I'm cutting, dicing. Then I grab my onion and I chop. Then I grab my thyme and I chop. Yeah, then I put everything together like so. Then I grab my yellow yam and I peel. Now I'm gonna slice my yellow yam the way I want it, you know? Like so, that's good. Then I grab 3 bananas and I cut the stem off. Also the bottom. Yeah, then I mark the banana with my knife like that, like so. After that, I wash them. Yeah, then I put them down like that. Then I grab some flour, throw it in my pot. Then I grab some cornmeal and I pour some in. Then I grab a little salt. Then I add some water and I mix. Yeah man, so you just want it to come out like a dough, like, you know. Yeah, keep adding to the water till it gets to your consistency. Yeah, so you keep mixing till it reaches to your consistency. Add a little more water if you need to. Like what I'm doing, I'm adding some more water till it gets to my consistency, the way I want it. Yeah, so you want to knead like this. In, out, just like so. Yeah, in, yeah. Now, I'm gonna let my dough rest. I'm gonna strain off some of that salt water and catch fresh water. So now I'm gonna catch some more fresh water and put it back on fire. So I put it back on the stove to continue boil to get the salt out. Yeah, so now I'm gonna roll up my dumpling, put in a pot. So I do it like that. So this is gonna make 4 dumplings. So I start rolling like so. So roll them like so. Like so. So I have rolled 3 dumplings already. Here comes the last one. Here we go. Now I'm gonna put them in the pot. The pot is boiling, as you can see. I'm gonna put my dumpling in. Cause you don't want it to stick in the pot. Mix your dumpling around, you know? Now I'm gonna put some yellow yam in my pot also. Yellow yam, Jamaican yellow yam goes in. Put it in and stir your pot like so. Yeah. So I'm gonna get ready now to saute my onion, my scallion, my tomato, and my green peppers. Also my scotch bonnet, don't forget. So my pot is boiling vigorously. At this time, I'm gonna stir, and I'm gonna add the banana right now. Adding the bananas, I turn the stove down on medium to low. Now I'm gonna use my coconut oil, put in the pot. And now I'm gonna saute my veg. Like so. Yeah man, keep sharp. Wow. Wow. Nice seasoning. Smell that. At this time I'm gonna drop just a little black pepper, give it a little flavor. I'm gonna drop some little bit Maggi in it. Yeah. You don't have to if you don't have it. It's done. So I'm gonna take it over here and drain it. So I'm gonna drain my saltfish. Like so. Then I'm gonna turn some cold water on my saltfish and I'm gonna flake it up, pick it up. And also wash it at the same time. So I'm gonna leave it and allow it to drain. I'm gonna check on my pot to see what's going on. Wow, looking good. Everything is looking great. Fantastic. Yep. Here we go.
Yes, sir.
Looking good. Yes, sir. Also, you wanna move your food around because you don't want it to stick to the bottom of the pot. You know, you want to free them up so it doesn't stick at the bottom. Because food tends to stick at the bottom of pots. So we don't want that happening here. So now that my saltfish is picked and drained, I'm going to put it with the vegetables. Yeah, then I mix everything up like so. If you need some more oil or butter, you could add it like so. And you mix. Grab some black pepper, pour some on it. Black pepper, yes, you need that. At this time, I'm gonna open my ackee. So after I open my ackee, I put it in a strainer and I put some water on it. Wash it off like, you know. I let it drain let it drain. You don't want to mash your ackee up, so take your time. Now that my ackee is drained, I'm gonna add it to the saltfish. Yeah, so you just wanna put all your seasoning on the ackee. Your tomato, green pepper, scallion, thyme. And you don't wanna mash this ackee up. You don't wanna break it up. You take your time. Then I would add some, little bit more black pepper. So after I had the pepper, that's it. That's my ackee and saltfish. I'm done. So my ackee is done cooked. Now I'm waiting on my dumpling, yam, and banana. So I'm gonna check on my pot to see what's going on. Yes, everything is cooked, and I'm gonna get ready to share. Okay, here's my ackee and saltfish, dumpling, and banana. It's Jamaican national dish, and it's very
delicious. I hope you have learned something on how to bake it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, see you in the next one.